Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the controls menu, and you can open it by pressing and holding the light button. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And once you select it, you will see the status. As you can see, at the moment it is turned off. And if you want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, select the icon, then press the start button, and the status will switch to on. And the icon will also change the color. And then you can go back by pressing the back button. And once you're on the watch face, some of the watch faces will display the Do Not Disturb mode that is enabled, as you can see. And that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, open the control menu again, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, press the start button, the status will switch to off, the icon will go back to gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.